Alright, so Jace learned how to do some lights on one of these. So Jace, turn on the headlights. And then turn on the fog lamps. Alright, now shut off the fog lamps. Shut off the headlights. And we're going to come around down here. Put that little light right there.
This one?
Yep, hit it. Now hit it back on. Now shut the key off. None of the lights will work without the key being on, so turn the key back on. Turn the headlights on. Then this one is, I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's on. That one will only come on with the headlights. So, you did a good job. How hard was it? Time consuming?
Yeah.
We ran out of wire, so we had to go get wire. And yeah, it wasn't too bad.